Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Honda Pilot. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear such as gloves and eye protection. Always ensure both vehicles are completely turned off before you begin connecting any cables. Park the working vehicle close enough so the jumper cables can easily reach both batteries. Before starting, visually inspect both batteries and cables for any signs of damage or corrosion. Now let's connect the positive cables. Identify the positive terminals on both batteries. They are usually marked with a plus sign and covered by a red cap. First, securely attach one red clamp to the positive terminal of your Honda Pilot's dead battery. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Make sure these connections are firm and stable. Next, we'll handle the negative connections. Take one black clamp and connect it firmly to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. For the other black clamp, find an unpainted, sturdy metal surface on your Honda Pilot's engine block or frame, away from any moving parts. This creates a safe ground connection. Double-check that all 4 clamps are securely attached before proceeding. With all cables connected, start the donor vehicle and let its engine run for about 5 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. Then try starting your Honda Pilot. Once it starts, disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First the black negative clamp from the Pilot, then from the donor car. Finally, remove the red positive clamps. Drive your Pilot for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.